Good morning, kids. How are you, everyone? You all are very much fine. I know that. And your presentation in remedial class is very good. You all are doing very nice in remedial class. Okay, kids. So, welcome back, all of you. This is our English class, and today again we are going to do the practice of our revision worksheet. Okay, along with that, we are going to revise our next two rhymes, chubby cheeks and one to buckle my shoe, and the second paragraph of the story. Okay, and so many things are there. We will revise the rhymes, identification of the letters, story, and revision worksheet practice. Okay, so first of all we will revise the rhymes. Okay, chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Next is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. Okay, now we will do the revision of second paragraph of the story. Okay, so what is the second paragraph? The lion want to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, they fought with him. Lion has to ran away. Yes, so what is that? Again we will do the revision. The lion want to eat them, so he went to catch them. When the cows saw the lion, they fought with him. Lion has to ran away. Okay, now what we will do? Now we will do the identification of letters E, F, G, H. Okay, no, not 4, E and F. Okay, now we will do the revision of letter E and F with its 5 to 6 pictures. So look at this video.
So kids, let's revise the pictures related with letter E. So as you all know, E for an elephant, engine, egg, ears, eagle, eyes. That everyone knows. E for elephant, engine, egg, ears, eagle, eyes. Let's see some more pictures. So here are some more pictures. E for earrings, जो सबकी मम्मा पहनती हैं. E for number 8. E for eraser, सब बच्चों के पास होता है. E for envelope, जिसमें हम लेटर रखकर पोस्ट करते हैं. E for earth, जिस पर हम रहते हैं. E for an elbow. Okay, so let's revise one more time. E for earrings, envelope, 8, eraser, earth, elbow. Okay, let's see some more pictures. So we have learned the elephant, engine, envelope, eggs, earth, ear, eagle. So many pictures we have, isn't it? So many pictures we have learned. Now let's move on to the letter F. F says fur. So here are pictures related to letter F. F for fish, fox, frog, flower. Fish. So here are the pictures related to letter F. F for fish, fox, frog, flower. Fish, fox, frog, flower. Let's look at some more pictures. F for, yes, fan, fruits, family, yes, our family. And F for frog, fire, yes, we should all stay away from the fire. F for fruits, which are very important to eat. Okay, हर बच्चे को fruits खाने चाहिए. So let's revise. F for fruits, flower, frog, fire, fox, fish, F for fly. Okay, some more pictures are there. F for number 4, F for number 5, F for fan, F for feet. हमारे पैरों के जो जो नीचे पैर होते हैं ना, ये आपको दिख रहा है इधर, इसमें 1 को हम बोलते हैं फुट, और जब 2 होते हैं, हमारे 2 फीट होते हैं, तो उनको बोलते हैं feet. And F for faces, F for fork. Okay, so we have learned so many pictures with letter F. Okay kids, I hope you remember all. Now go back to the class.
So you all have revised the 5 to 6 pictures related to letter E and F. Okay, and you have to learn them also, because in exam I'm going to ask you. Okay, so kids, now let's do the revision practice of worksheet number 1. Okay, so all of you take out your pencil and eraser. So kids, before practicing the worksheet, let's revise the writing of letters A to P so that we can easily solve the worksheet. Okay, so let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Okay, so this is how you all have to do the practice of making letters from A to P in your red notebook. सबसे पहले आप इसका लिखने का practice करेंगे, then afterwards you have to solve the worksheet. Okay, now we will solve the worksheet. So let's go. So kids, today we are going to do this practice worksheet. अगर आपके पास में नहीं है, so I am just holding the phone so you can make it. Jug, kite, hat, egg, leaf, balloon. A, J, O, G, and here are some more letters. Okay, now let's do the practice. So this picture is jug. J for jug. Okay. Kite. K for kite. See, I have just prepared like this only. So what we will do? So what I did here, I have drawn the lines also. So you can write on the lines if you want to draw the lines. So draw the lines. Otherwise, make them do practice in red notebook also. Okay, this is the worksheet practice. You can do like this only. This is H for head. Okay, so I will write here also, so you can understand the lines. That's why today we are also going to do the practice of making letters from A to P. Now what is this? E for an egg. L for leaf. And B for balloon. Okay, now let's come to the next exercise, that is what comes next. Which letter comes after A? Is B, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, G, H, K, L, E, F, I, J M N. Okay, so that's why we have done the practice of letter A to P before solving this worksheet, so that you just revise the A, B, C, D, A to P, so that you can easily perform this worksheet. Okay kids, now go back to the class. Bye bye. So the practice is done of our worksheet number 1, and we have also done the practice of writing letters A to P. This is your homework for today's class. And remember, in today's remedial class, your maths oral test. Okay, so be ready for that everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.